Everyone should be hearing me. So let's get straight into the video. I just want to tell you guys that the week is officially ended. So the second week of the challenge has officially came to an end, and we did absolutely nothing more than lost. So we lost some money. So first of all, I did mention that I was in this trade, which is GPAD, right? I didn't mention that previously, and regarding to this trade, right? You can see here that price, right? After we got that 1 hour engulf that I was talking about, right? Pull back, 1 hour engulfing, right? After I got that, we did enter the trade, I did say that, and then price felt like it like come back all the way up here to do its thing. But regarding to this trade, I did actually end up at break even, so we did not lose any money at all basically on this trade, right? So this trade was like it's not a success, but it wasn't a defeat either. But yeah, we went to break even, put our stops to break even, and we actually get to that trade at break even point. So yeah, we did not lose anything from this trade. What to say about this trade though, I don't know. It's a situation where I feel like it's going to go to the downside this week because of how the week candlestick close, right? But then the candlestick it does not give me anything much other than the fact that it's showing rejection to the downside, right? But we did close above the EF injury, which is not good. So that's not good. My computer seems to be moving really slow. I don't know why. Okay. All right. So can see here that the 4 hour is looking at it. So what I'm saying is that what I'll be looking for is for price to break below the air futures, have a pull out in the air futures so I can sell this trade. Right? I'm still looking for sales here, even at this current week. But what I'll be looking for is a break, retest to sell. So I will not be looking for a daily pullback after a break or anything like that. No, I'll just be looking for a break on the lower time frame, such as the 2 or the 4 hour. Want a break, pullback to sell. Right? So that was GPAD. I don't have the trades that I actually like took last week. I don't have them because I did clear them off. But I do remember them because I can go on my MetaTrader and look back. And then CHJPY was the next one. I did take this trade because this was actually looking good for the sell once again. So I did point out here that at one point, right, I was interested in taking this trade. Let's copy this. I was interested in taking this trade over here, right? But I didn't get to do it because I was at work. So I missed out on some profits here, right? So that being said, it came out within the EF interest, and I was like, okay, came out within this EF interest and close within the EF interest the candlestick. That's good because what could have happened is that after the head and shoulders pattern, right? Head and shoulders pattern right here, price could actually just wanted to come back for a retest and then push continuation to the downside, right? That's what I was thinking. Now, on the weekly time frame as well, price already had that retracement to then have the continuation push the downside on the weekly time frame, right? To create a lower low. So it's like, okay, since everything is looking still fine, I'm gonna take this trade. Right? Price came within the F interest. I got my entry, right? I got my entry to go to the downside. I took the trade from there. But as you guys can see, it did not end up good properly. It did not work out for me because my entry was this. Whenever price break from this F interest, I think I mentioned that already too. Whenever price broke from this F interest, I didn't take the trade. Right? So you can see the air price was consolidating, price break from this F interest, I took the trade there. And from there we were going down, but I guess he had different plans. So we lost how much? Basically lost $8 on this trade, right? $8 because we're still at $82. So $90 from $90 to $82 we lost $8 on this trade. So therefore next week coming or rather this week we're gonna receive $40. We're gonna raise 50% of the account That's not exactly 50%, but you know what I'm saying? Just call it $80, approximately $80, then I'll be risking 40%, which will be 50% of that. But I'm risking $40, which will be 50% of that. Oh my God. So yeah, that's the case. I'm still not gonna be able to catch up the um to the plan, as in like the trading goals or the balance for the week or whatever. I still won't catch up to that even if I reach 40%, but still I'll be near. So yeah, that's it for the week. Nothing much happened. I took a $8 loss on CHJPY. GPA did not work out much. So yeah, that was pretty much it. I'll be uploading the upcoming week market very very soon. So that will be what, week 3. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, just leave a like, comment, subscribe. Really appreciate it. Thank you.